Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, Siley, right?
Yes,
Okay, so can you just tell me something about yourself? That what exactly are you doing?
yeah. Actually, sir, I was working in HR.
Okay.
Yeah, but few months, I am not doing anything.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, fine. Fine. So today in this session, what we are going to start is search engine optimization, which is our first module. So, uh, do you have any idea what is search engine optimization and why should we do it?
Okay. Search engine optimization use for search anything.
Okay. So basically, this module search engine optimization is the module which will help us to get our website into search engine. We can make our website search engine friendly. I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in today's topic, what we are going to learn is what is search engine optimization, what is search engine results page, search engine optimization versus pay-per-click, then what are search engines, main components of search engines, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and a few research that we are going to see. So now when we talk about search engine optimization, then all the efforts revolving around trying to get a website or a page to show up or increase the rank in the search engine is called as search engine optimization. So if I have a website and I want my website to come up in search engine, then I need to implement search engine optimization strategies in my website so that I can get my website into search engine. So that whole process is called as search engine optimization. So uh, now whenever you search anything in Google, then there comes a page. That page is called as search engine results page. So whenever you type anything, you will get various results over here. So that page is called as search engine results page. So okay, so, all right. uh, okay, fine. So now say for example, I will show you on my screen. I will open Google and I will go to Google and I will search for anything like okay, search console. So now when I type any keyword over here and I get some results, so this page is called as search engine results page, the page on which we get results. So that is search engine results page. After that we have two things over here. The first one is pay per click, that is PPC over here that you can see, and the second one is search engine optimization, that is SEO. So that is the results over here. Now if we go to the page over here, we can see over here, okay, we don't see any sponsored listing. So just let me search for some another keyword. I will search for digital marketing. So in that case, you can see something as sponsored over here. You can see this is sponsored over here. This is sponsored. So these are all not organic results. These results are basically the paid results. So when people are doing some advertisement, so that is the reason it is called as sponsored. So now there are two things. The first one is paid results, and the other one over here which we can see, the other results over here, these are all organic results. Over here people have worked on their website. They have taken time and efforts to work on their website and get their websites into search engine. So these are all done through SEO. and the ones which are mentioned with the term sponsored, they have paid and they have come up over here, that is pay per click. Now why do we call them pay per click? Because if there is any keyword with which we are searching and some sponsored listing is coming up, then say there is some amount which will get deducted from this particular their account. So that is the reason we call them pay per click. So every time if there are 10 clicks, so 10 times x amount will get deducted. So like you must be knowing about the stock say all the shares are there, and the prices of each share goes ups and down every day. Over here the prices of the keywords, similar way in digital marketing we have prices for all the keywords, and the keyword prices do not go up and down every day, but maybe it might differ, maybe in 1 week it is less or high, like that it keeps on changing. So weekly or every few days it keeps on changing. So whatever is the amount of every keyword, that amount keeps on changing. So that amount, whatever is the amount, say if it is 5 rupees for digital marketing, then 5 rupees will get deducted from the advertiser's account. So that is the reason we call them as pay per click advertisements. And SEO is organic results, where people work on their website and then they get results. So that is what we get to see over here. Now the next thing over here in this we have is that we have many search engines like Google, Yahoo, MSN, Ask, AOL, Bing, and many other search engines are there. Now what are search engines? So they are software systems through which a searcher can search anything on the internet. So whatever they search in any search engine, they get some desired results. So that application, that website is called as a search engine. So like we all know Google, so Google is a search engine. Now if I want to get my website into search engine, then I need to know how does a search engine function. Because if I know how does a search engine function, then only it is easy for me to get my website into search engine. So over here there are some components of search engines, and they have some different respective tasks that they perform. The first component is spider. So what is the work of the spider? The spider is a program that search engine uses to follow the links throughout the internet. So spider will go across the internet and it will collect all the links from the websites which are uploaded, and say then they will add it to the search engines database. So these spiders are also called
Hello,
as,
sir.
yes,
Hello, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Please, actually, sir, please come again. What you told,
From which part about the spider?
sir? No, before spider.
Before spider.
Yeah, sir. Please make me understand little bit slowly.
So I mean, if you have any questions, you can ask me. So what exactly you did not understand
Okay.
about the search engines or the
Yeah.
components of search engine?
Yeah. Actually, sir, you were just saying, like there is a two type of search engine, like a PP uh,
No, no, no,
per
no, no,
click,
no, no,
right?
no. It is not two search engines. The results are of two types. One is paid and one is free. So PPC is the advertisements. So pay per click
Right.
is the
Okay.
advertisements, and SEO is the free option where people put in their time and efforts and work on their website so that they can get their website into search engine. So that is the main difference. There are no two search engines, there are no
Okay,
two
sir.
types of search engines.
So,
Yeah.
okay, sir. So I have a question.
Yes.
People create their own website and
Yeah.
put the knowledge over there. So how they get money?
Over here we are not talking about money.
How can they earn?
No, no, that is
No,
not the
sir.
topic over here. That is not the topic over here. That is not, we are learning how to make money. Over here we are learning search engine optimization. That is how to get our websites into search engine. That is a different thing, that is a different topic, that does not come up over here. So if you have any relevant questions, yes, you can ask.
Okay, sir. And yeah, so please, please, sir, say me what you said in initial level. I didn't get it.
So I mean,
So basically, she is saying to repeat
yeah, that I know,
the
but
whole
Yeah,
class.
yeah.
I mean, which part you want to know? What did you not understand? You did not understand the
Uh,
components of search engine, or these what are search engines you did not understand?
sir, I'm understanding, but please briefly come again, sir. Please repeat.
Okay, fine. So now
Yeah.
we know that there are various search engines, right? So now, sir, what is
Right.
search engine? So search engine is a website where we can search anything and we can get some results. So they are search engines. They are called as search engines. So we know many types of search engines like Google, Yahoo, MSN, Ask, AOL, Bing, like that. There are many websites over here which are search engines. Now over here what we are going to learn is how does a search engine function in the next slide. So why do I need to learn how does a search engine work? I mean, they may work in whatever way they want to work. Why should I know? But if I want to get my website into search engine, then I should know what is the function, what are the rules, what are the regulations that I need to know, so that I can get my website into search engine. So for that reason we have certain components over here. Components means the parts or functions of the search engine. Now out of that, the first part, that is the first component, is spider. So this spider is also called as robot or a crawler. It is also called as a bot, B-O-T, bot. So they have different names. Now what is the work of this spider is that they will travel across the internet and they will collect all the links of the website which are there on the internet. So in that, my website will also come up, your website will also come up, all the websites which are there on the internet, it will collect the links of all the websites that are uploaded today. Now uploaded, as well as if there is any modification, if I have made some changes in the website, then also that crawling will happen. So now it will collect all the links of the pages of the website. Now after collecting the links, it will add into the database of Google, so that when people will search, our website will come up. But then after the spider will collect all the links, what happens is that the crawling process takes place. Now when the crawling process takes place, in this process what happens is that it will check first whatever data it is collecting, whatever links it is collecting. It will check the content of all the links from the which the spider has collected, and then it will check with its database that whether this content is available in their database or not. Now why do they need to check
Okay.
whether the content is there in database or not? That is because Google does not want duplicate content. So if, say, suppose if I am copying some content from various websites and I am mixing the content and adding it in my website, then in that case Google will not collect the content from my website and it will not add into the database, because Google wants only original and unique content. So that is the process of the crawling. So once it finds that the content is original and unique and it does not exist in any website, then it will take the content and then it will store in the Google's database. Now how it will store? So that comes up in the indexing. So indexing is the process of arranging all the websites in a particular order with respect to the keywords. Now say for example, if I have to give you an easy example of indexing, then if we go to any library, we will find various sections in the library in which the books are arranged. Now why are books arranged in different sections? so that when we go and search for any book, it is easy for us to find the book. So first we go to that section and then we try to find that book. So that is how all the books are arranged in the library. So same way in Google's database also, all the websites are arranged with respect to the keywords. So you can consider keywords as the sections, and in those keyword section all the website links are added. So like this, so that when anyone is searching for any keyword, at that point of time all the websites will be displayed in a particular order. So whichever website is very good in search engine optimization, that website will be ranking at the top, then the next website, and then the third website, fourth website, and then millions of websites are arranged in that order. So this is how the indexing process takes place. So now I got to know that how does a search engine function. First of all, the spider will collect all the content, and then Google will check all the content with the Google's database. If it is original, it will pick that content and then it will store in the Google's database by the indexing process, by arranging all the websites with the respective keywords, so that it is easy to retrieve when a person is searching on Google. So this is the main components and how does a search engine function. So now when I what do I learn from this? I learned that when I create a website, I should not copy anybody's content. I should be creating my own content which is unique and does not exist anywhere else. That is unique content. So this is what I learned over
Hello, sir.
here. Yes.
So I have one doubt.
Yes.
When to upload on Google any stuff, that's in our hand only, right? What to
Yes.
upload, what to not. Then before uploading on Google's platform,
Yes.
does we need Google's permission, or did Google cross-check the content?
No, I mean, even if we submit it manually, it is Google's decision whether to take the content or not. It will first check whether the content is original, whether the content is quality content or not. If that is confirmed, only after that our website comes up in search engine. Submitting does not guarantee that our website will come up in search engine. So that is what we have over here. So that all process is automatic by it takes place with the help of Google algorithm. So Google algorithm considers all these things, and then it will take our data and store it in Google's database. So that is the main components of search engine. So after that, when we are doing SEO, we have two types of search engine optimization. The first one is on page optimization and second one is off page optimization. So first we will see what is on page optimization. So now if I have to give you a simple example that what is on page optimization, so the name itself suggests that we are working on our website. So whenever we are working on our website or on the page of our website, that optimization is called as on page optimization, where we will be making various changes as per the all the factors that Google have mentioned over here. Now to understand all these factors like title tags, description, URL, so I need to make you understand something in a notepad first. So what exactly are these? Now say suppose I want to write a blog for my website. So first I will select a topic. Now then I decide that okay, I want to write a blog on digital marketing trends for 2023. Now I know that okay, this is the topic that I want to write, and now I need to select one important keyword that is called as focus key phrase or focus keyword. So what is focus keyword? So that is the keyword that we want our content to rank with that keyword, so that when people will search with our keyword, our content should come up. So over here, when I want to use, I might use digital marketing, or maybe I can search, I can use digital marketing trends over here as my focus keyword, or maybe I can use only trends over here. Like that, I can select any keyword over here which I need to use. So I will select digital marketing over here as my focus key phrase. Now when I am using this digital marketing keyword, so where exactly I need to add that? So this keyword I need to add at all these places which are mentioned over here, so which I will be explaining in detail over here in some time. So first let us understand few things. So now this is one keyword, that is digital marketing over here. Now I want to rank my content with digital marketing keyword, but Google says that you cannot rely only on one keyword. So for that you require some supporting keywords. So now what are these supporting keywords? So supporting keywords are the keywords which are related to digital marketing. So maybe like I can select SEO as my keyword, I can select SEM as my keyword, then I can select social media marketing as my keyword, I can select as mobile marketing as my keyword. So like this, these are all supporting keywords which are related to digital marketing. So now I can use these all keywords also into my content, which is topic which for in the topic which I'm using as digital marketing trends in for 2023. And now there are some more phrases. I can use keywords like this, and I can also use phrases. Now what are phrases? Phrases are not just keywords, but maybe a small phrase, some send few words together. Say like if I am searching for digital marketing, that is a keyword, then I might search for digital marketing in Navi Mumbai. So this is called as phrase. Now if I want to rank my content for digital marketing, then it would be difficult because worldwide people are using this keyword, and it might be a bit difficult to rank this keyword for my topic. But if I search for digital marketing trends in Navi Mumbai or digital marketing in Navi Mumbai, then it is easy for me to rank this keyword, because my competition is not with the world, my competition is within Navi Mumbai. So people within Navi Mumbai only will be searching like digital marketing courses in Navi Mumbai. So if someone is searching for digital marketing course, then they will be searching like digital marketing course in Navi Mumbai, or maybe say like I'm staying in Kharghar, so I will search for digital marketing course in Kharghar. So if someone is staying in Panvel, so digital marketing course in Panvel. So that is very easy. Then I will be competing only with the institutes or people who are teaching digital marketing in that particular location. So I need to use this phrase, or maybe I can use keywords over here. So this is what we need to do, and this is very easy to rank your content in Google. Over here it might be a difficult. So now whatever focus key phrase we select, that focus key phrase we need to add at all the places. All the places means where? So the first one is title tags. So now what is title tag? So let me take you to Google. Over here you can see all the titles which are in blue color. So these are called as titles. So in the language of SEO we call them as meta titles. So now over here in this also I need to write my focus key phrase over here, that is my title. The next thing is what I need is the next thing over here is description. So what is description? Description is basically the text which is below the title. So in my description also I need to in description also I need to add my in my description also I need to add my focus key phrase. So wherever I see this description, I need to add my focus key phrase. Now the next thing is URL. So in the URL also I need to add my focus key phrase. So let me show you how. So over here let me open 2-3 websites. So if I open over here, say one website, second website, third website over here. So now say over here we are searching for digital marketing. So in the title also you can see digital marketing over here, you can see digital marketing over here, you can see digital marketing in the title. Then we were talking about description. So in the description also you can see digital marketing over here, digital marketing over here, you can see digital marketing over here. So everywhere you can see digital marketing is there. So the focus key phrase what people are searching, that has to be there in both the places. And then the URL. So now let us check the URL if digital marketing is there in the URL or not. So here this is the first website and I can see digital marketing over here. Now the second place also I can see digital marketing over here. Then in this website also I can see digital marketing over here. So now it is fulfilling all the conditions that are mentioned in search engine optimization over here. So now the next thing is site navigation. So what is site navigation? So site navigation are the links on the website. So now say suppose I open any website and I click on the link which will take me to digital marketing. Okay, so over here I might go to online courses certification. Over here I don't find anything, so let me go to anything else. uh, okay, over here you can see this is digital is there. Okay, we want digital marketing, so any link which will contain digital marketing over here, that is called as navigation. Navigation is basically the links on the website which will take you to some another place. So let me open this website over here. So definitely all the website has that. So over here also I can see in the resources I can see something digital marketing somewhere. Let me see over here. You can see this is the link over here. This is the navigation. The navigation links means that link will take you to some destination. So I click on this link and it will take you to digital marketing courses over here. Now again over here there is a digital marketing which is a link. So I can click on that and I can go to the course page over here. So this is called as navigation links. So all the links where we are adding the content, that is navigation. So I need to have my focus key phrase in the navigation links also on the website. That is in the menu I need to have digital marketing listed over there. After that I need say the next thing is sitemaps and robots. So sitemap and robots I will explain in the last because they are two different files which is not related with the focus key phrase. Now the next thing is images over here. Now images also should contain your focus key phrase. So in the images how will I add my focus key phrase? I mean I cannot write on the image, then the image will get spoiled. So I need to do certain things like say I will show you the images over here. Now if I go to any of the images, okay, yes, over here, so these are all the images. So let me just show you. Yes, now these are the images and now you can see the name over here, Instagram, over here best blogging tips, over here digital tools, then over here blog banner, then sitemap, LinkedIn, SEO tricks, then marketing trends, SMS marketing, then over here voice search, then lead generation, Google, Facebook apps. So every image is having a name. So my focus key phrase is coming over here. So in the images also you need to add your focus key phrase. I should not use any images with any name like 1.jpg, 2.jpg or 12356.jpg or PNG like that. Those images do not work. You need to have a proper name for the images which is related to the content that you are uploading. So you can see these are all the links which are, these are all the images which are there on my website and I'm using a particular name of all these images over here. So I need to use my focus key phrase in the images. Then the headings. So then what are headings? So if you go to any website, say like let me show say like the website, one of the website. Okay, so I go to this website over here, and I will go to any of the blogs. So I take up this blog, and now say like this is the title of the uh, this particular blog, and when we are viewing the blog, you can see some headings over here. So these are called as headings over here. So after every 300 words, Google says that you need to have headings over here. So that is the reason over here some headings are provided. So we have to have headings after every 300 words. So for that reason these headings are there. So in these headings also you need to use your focus key phrase. So that is what we need to do in the headings. And then we have keyword usage. Now if I show that okay, in this particular website, in this particular article or a blog, how many times should I use my focus key phrase? Say like if this particular content is on WordPress, so how many times, if I am selecting WordPress as my focus key phrase, how many times should I use it? So Google says that there is a fixed formula of using these keywords in your content. Now say suppose if your content is of 500 words, then in that case you have to use, the fixed formula is 2 to 3%. So if my content is of 500 words, then I need to use a minimum of 10 to 15. So 3% of 500 is 15 and 2% of 500 is 10. So I have to use my focus key phrase in my content of 500 words for minimum 10 times. I have to use this in my whole content, or maximum of 15 times. So I should not use less than this number, I should not use more than this number. So I can use 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 or 15, any number of times I can use, but it should be between 10 to 15. So then our content will be optimized for that particular keyword. So that is what it means over here is keyword usage. The next thing is keyword density. So keyword density means that how far or how close I am using the keywords. Now
Hello.
yes,
Sir, no, I want to ask you that you told now for SEO search means when we search on Google anything,
yes,
the first interface we saw that we saw digital marketing, and
yes,
that was that blue wala line that
yes,
comes.
title.
For that we have to write on 10 to 15 words, right?
No, not over there. Inside the blog, inside the content. In that title it should be only one, because title is just one line. See over here, if I go and search in Google, over here I search for anything like say digital marketing. So in this
Yes.
title, how can I use for 10 15 times? I can use it only once, because the title is very small. Say this title is of only few words, so I cannot use over here. But when I click on this and when the page opens, at that time over here you can see how many times it is written. It is written 43 times. So over here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7 over here, 8 9, like this. Inside the content I need to use it 2 to 3% of the uh, keywords over here. So if my this say suppose this blog is of 500 words or 1000 words, then 2% of 1000 is 20 and 3% is 30. So I need to use my keyword minimum 20 times or maximum of 30 times in this whole content which I am writing over here inside the blog, inside this blog, not in the title. Over here in this blog I
Okay.
need to use that keyword for minimum of that number of times. That
Means
is over there.
I want to say that if we use 2 to 3% of that word, then only
Yes.
Google will optimize or recognize our blog.
Yes, then only Google will get to know that this is the keyword for this particular blog or article or a page. Otherwise it will not get to know. So that is the
Okay,
formula which is provided by Google. So over here you can see this. Now if we are talking about the density, so density means how far or how close the keywords are placed. Over here we can see that the content is distributed evenly. It means that in one paragraph maybe one or twice it is written. If the paragraph is big, then in that case I might think that okay, I will use all the 10 keywords, all the 10 times keyword I will use it in one paragraph. If I do that, then my website will get a penalty. I cannot use it in one paragraph only and finish off the work. That way we cannot use it. I need to distribute my keywords throughout the content. You can see from the top till bottom in almost the paragraphs that we are seeing over here, we can see WordPress, and it is distributed evenly across the content. So like that we need to use, that is called as keyword density. So the number of times I am using, how far or how close the keywords are placed. After that comes the mobile SEO. So what is mobile SEO? So mobile SEO is when people will search for a keyword in Google from the mobile device. So at that time my search results should come up. So it doesn't mean that if my website is coming when I search from the desktop or laptop, if my result is coming on the mobile device also my result will come up. No, it is not correct, because I need to optimize for mobile devices separately. There are certain other steps that I need to take when I am optimizing for a mobile device. Generally speaking, it works. Even if I don't optimize separately, it will work. But to optimize it in a more better way, I need to use separate plugins and I need to use a special strategy so that my content will come up in search engine when I search for the keyword from the mobile device, that is mobile usability, mobile SEO. Then the next thing over here is that your website should look the same in all the devices, whether the screen size is small if I'm seeing it from a mobile device, or if I'm seeing it from a large desktop screen, or I'm seeing it on a 32-inch television or 42-inch television, whatever it is. I need that I should make sure that my website is looking evenly on all the screens, all the screen sizes. So my website or a blog, whatever I'm writing, that should be like a water. You know how a liquid is, that is water or liquid, whatever we call it. Whenever we pour the liquid into any vessel, it will take the shape of that vessel. Whether the vessel is small or big, it will take the shape. So similarly, whenever I open my website in any of the screen, whether it is a small screen, medium screen, big screen or large screen, my website should look evenly on all the screens. So that is the part of mobile SEO. So these type of websites are called as responsive websites. So my website should be responsive, so they are responding with different screen sizes. So that is what I need to check over here. So whenever I am doing a mobile SEO, now we have two files which are remaining. The first one is sitemaps and second one is robot.txt file. Now these two files are very important, robot.txt file and sitemap.txt file. These two files are very important. Why they are important? That is because these two files are the communication files between our website and the search engine. Say like whenever a Google bot or Google robot will come to our website, how will it communicate that what content I need to take from our website? So at that time, whenever a Google bot will come on the website, the first it will find the robot.txt file. So once it opens the robot.txt file, I will show you the robot.txt file, how does it look like. So I will open it. Okay, fine. So yes, this is the robot.txt file, this is the text file over here, and this is the sitemap. So I'll open both the files. So one is the text file and one is the XML file. So now whenever that Google bot will come on our website, it will scan our website and it will search for this file, that is robot.txt file. Now after finding that file, it will open that file and then it will read the first line. It says that user agent star. So star means that it applies to all search engine. If I don't want my content to come up in all the search engines, then instead of star I can write the name of that particular search engine. Say like I can use Google bot, or else I can use MSN bot, or else I can use Bing bot, or else I can use Yahoo Slurp. So every search engine bot has a different name. Most of them have same names, but some of them have different names. So in that case I can use, if I use Google bot instead of star, then in that case only Google bot will come and they can only take the content from my website. So now if Google bot is allowed, but if Yahoo bot is coming on our website or Bing bot is coming on our website, they also will search for this file in our website. They will open it and they will read the first line. Then it will say that user agent Google bot. So then they will understand that this file, this particular website does not allow any other search engines besides Google bot to crawl the content from this website. So of course if we do that, then our website will not come up in other search engines. So if I want my website to come up in all search engines, then I need to use star. So for that reason we use user agent star. Now it got to know that I have got permission to enter this website. Then it will read the next line. Next line says that allow / means the home directory. So it means that I am allowed to take all the pages of this website and take it into search engine. So that is done. After that, the third line says that disallow /wp admin /. So what does this mean? It means that we are not giving permission to touch any files from this particular directory, because this is a private directory and we don't want any content to be taken to the Google's database, and we don't want to make this any file from this directory as public. So for that reason we say disallow this particular directory. So I can disallow a particular file, I can disallow a particular folder, that is directory, or any image or a video. I can disallow any content. So after that I will say that sitemap is located at this location. So immediately it will close this file and it will come to this file. Now over here these are all the links of the website. So now it will only take the content which are mentioned in this particular file. So if there are 500, 800 links in this particular file, then it will only take those files, content of those files and those URLs, and save it in Google's database. So this is what we are telling Google, that you are allowed to take content only from the links which are mentioned in this particular directory, in this particular file. So then Google bot will take the content from only these all URLs which are mentioned in the sitemap. So these two files are very important, because these two files are the communication files between the server and the website. Now what happens if I do not have any file or one file? Now say if I don't have any files, say like in case if I don't have any files on my website, then in that case it might take up any content from my website. It might pick up all the content, whether it is it is allowed or it is not allowed. But since you did not have robot.txt file, it will take up all the content from the website and it will store into Google search engine. So for that reason we need to have at least robot.txt file. Now say suppose I have robot.txt file and I do not have sitemap.xml. So if I do not have sitemap.xml, then it is still fine, because if there is anything which is mentioned in the robot.txt file that allow everything except this particular directory, so it will follow all the rules and it will fetch all the content except that particular URL. So this is how these two files are very important, and these files will play a very important role in communicating with the website and the Google search engine or any search engine. So that is this two communication files. Now over here you can see that there is an arrow over here, which means that I need to start from here. So why do I need to start from here? Because I have already completed all the steps over here. That is because SEO is not one time process. Once you complete your SEO, every 10 to 15 days you need to keep and coming and checking your SEO on your website. Because what happens is that you might have optimized 10 days back, but today there are some new keywords which you can use. Maybe the keywords which you have used are not performing. So for that reason we need to come over here and keep checking. So what happens if we do not check and if we do not research and we do not add the SEO over here, then what happens? Then in that case, if there is any competitor related to us, then they will overtake our website, their ranking will increase, and maybe someday our website will slowly and gradually come down the search results and they will disappear from search engine. So that is the reason I need to do search engine optimization on my website every 10 to 15 days. If you can do it weekly, then nothing like it, but I would still suggest that you can do it minimum at least 10 to 15 days once, or the best thing is you can do it 3 times a month. That is the best thing that you can do. So that is on page optimization. So if you have any questions related to on page SEO, you can ask me anything.
No, sir, nothing.
Okay. Now over here in on page optimization, we were working on our website to make all the changes over here. Now the next type of optimization is off page optimization. Now off page optimization itself suggests that we are off the page, means we are not on the website. Now we have closed the website and now we are working somewhere else. So off page SEO, where exactly are we working? So we are working at some different places. That is over here, that is directory submission, search engine submission, blog article submission, social media networking, bookmarking. So what does this mean? So it means that basic understanding is promoting our website on the internet. So we have created a website and we have done on page optimization on our website. Now it's time to promote our website. So where will we promote? So we have various places over here where we will be promoting our website. Like there are various directories where we can submit our website. So you must be knowing various directories like say Just Dial, then India Mart, Trade India, Exporters India, then India Trade. Like that there are various directories. We can submit our website in all those directories. We need to put our links in those places. So that is directory submission. After directory submission, then we can add our website into some of the search engines. See, like not all search engines are automatic, like Google and Yahoo and MS and Bing. These are all automatic search engines wherein we don't require to add our website manually. It will automatically take the content from our website. So there are certain search engines where I need to uh, add my website manually, so I can add to all those search engines also, so that more and more places my website will come up, so that I can do. Then I can promote my website by writing some blogs and articles on some another blog article websites. So there are thousands of other websites where I can write blogs, and I can promote my website and add links of my website in those blogs and articles. So then it comes like social media and social bookmarking websites. So social networking websites like Facebook, Instagram, then Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. I can post my content on all these websites, because on social media networks there are millions of website, millions of peoples that are available.
I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, sorry, tell me.
Sir, you are just stating about directory. Sir, please come again. I was not getting the point.
Directory, just dial.
Right, right, sir.
Yeah,
So,
so
for example, LinkedIn is your directory.
no, LinkedIn is not a directory. LinkedIn is a B2B network.
Okay.
Yeah. So LinkedIn is not a directory. So directories are Just Dial, Yellow Pages, Trade India, IndiaTrade.com, then Exporters India. These are all directories. So we can submit our website. We can create an account over there in our company name or personal name, and then we can promote our website over there. We can promote all our products and services over there, and in those products and services we can add our website URL. So that is directories. So then search engines. So search engines are, there are various other search engines where we can submit our website manually, so that also we can do. Then there are various websites in which we can write blogs like blogger.com or wordpress.com. Like that, there are various websites where we can write blogs, so we can promote our content. So I can write something about my website and I can provide the link over there, so that people can click on it and come back to our website. So that is say writing blogs and articles. After that we have social bookmarking or social networking website. So like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, these are all social media websites. YouTube is there. So I can promote my website in all these websites, all these social media websites, because on these social media websites there are lots and lots of people. There are millions of people on the social media network. So for that reason I will promote my website at all these places, and I will put my link. So putting my link at all the places is important. If I don't put my link, then it is not called as off page SEO. Now after that there are free classified, so you must be knowing OLX and Quicker. So over there also you can
Right.
promote your website. You can create an account and you can add your website also over there about the products and services that you are promoting. So like OLX and Quicker, there are millions of other websites where you can promote and add content about your website, and you can tell the world about your website, and you need to add the link. So then your
Sir, sorry for interruption.
yeah,
Sir, in OLX, I have already created account, but I never put the link over
that's
there.
that is fine. I mean, you don't require to do it in all the ads on OLX does not allow you to put the links in your ad. You can put it only in some type of categories. It is allowed, not in all of them. You cannot even put it in the content where you are describing something. So for that reason, that is fine. So once we do off page SEO, you will get to know what exactly it is and how
Yeah.
exactly
Because,
this
sir,
is doing. Yeah.
Because sir, I don't idea about that, where I
Huh.
should put the link and do the marketing like that.
That's fine. See, over here I'm just teaching you how what are the things that we need to do. But this is why I'm showing you the PPT slides. That is just because for your understanding only. First we have to learn, and after that we will be doing everything practically. So from the next lecture
Okay.
everything will be practically towards the end of the course, because only there are only another 2 to 3 modules where only I have to show you the slides. So from the next session all the practical part of the course will start. I will be showing you each and everything what I am telling you over here. Each and everything I will be teaching you practically, so you don't need to worry about everything, that how on page SEO is done, how off page SEO is done. So I'll be showing you practically how to do that. So this slides is just for your understanding, that what actually is on page SEO, what actually is off page SEO, what is SEO, how to do SEO, what are the different types of SEO. That all things we are learning. So when we do practically, you will be aware of the basic terminologies that we are using over here. That is the most important thing. So coming back to the topic, so then we have various free classifieds. There are millions of websites available where we can post our ads, and there are billions of people who are checking free classifieds every single day. So for that reason classified is the big best bet that we can use for promoting our content. Now after that we can also post our content on press release. So there are many websites where we can put up some press release. So press release is not just for corporates, even an individual can give a press release, and that can be related to the company products or services, anything, whatever a press release you want to give, you can give a press release. And after that we have backlinks. So we have to build backlinks for our website. So what is backlink building? So backlink building is basically whatever we are doing over here, we have to provide our links at each and every place. If we are not placing the links, then it is not called as off page SEO. So the process of posting our links on various places is called as building backlinks. So I need to have a minimum of 25,000 links of my website on another website, after which my content can easily go viral on the internet. So of course it will take time, but once it does, then your content can easily go viral over the internet, and you will get a lots of traffic for your website. After that you will not even require to promote your website, because you will be getting more and more people to come and visit your website. So that is backlink building. So this we should keep on doing again and again. So what you need to do is, say now there are this is not one time process, that okay you will register on one directory or one classified website or one press release. You have to do it on thousands of websites. So now if you are doing on thousands of websites, you cannot remember the login details of all the website. So for that reason what you can do is, you can prepare an Excel file with the name of the website, username, password and email address, because somewhere on some websites it will ask you username and password, and some of the website will ask you for email and password. So you just need to create that. So once you cross, see, you can remember 2 3 website username and password, but if I tell you to remember username and password for 15 20 websites, then it might be difficult. So for that reason you need to maintain an Excel sheet which is good for you. And even if you have say listed down, say 1,000 user, you have registered on 1,000 websites and have access to thousands of websites, then you can easily sell your services to companies, and you can make lakhs of rupees just by off page SEO, because everybody wants to do SEO, but the only problem is that it takes a lot of time, and nobody wants to spend that kind of time. So they feel that this is an unproductive work. So for that reason, if you promote it, then it is one of the best thing that you can do, and people will come to your website. Because say if today there are 5 people, we are posting at 5 websites, but after that, say maybe 5 people will be coming to your website, then 50 people will come to your website, say then 500 people will come to your website. Like this, from different places, different part of the world, people will be coming to your website. So that is that when you get lots of traffic. So this is the process of building backlinks over here, and say you can get your content viral over here. Now I will not compare going viral with the YouTube videos or WhatsApp content which goes viral every now and then. It is not like that, because that kind of viral thing will stop in 1 or 2 days. After 2 days, people will forget. See, if I give you an example, there was one song which went viral, which was called as Gangnam Style. Do you remember that? That was a song which was very famous from some
Yes, sir,
Chinese
yes.
language. So now that song went viral, and millions of views we had on that song. Today, anyone remembers? I mean, today, does anyone even talk about that song? No one, right? So for that reason, that popularity was only for few days till the time it got millions of views. Today nobody is talking about it. But when we are doing backlinks and when our content goes viral, it will not stop at all, because this is like a fusion. It is like a chain reaction which cannot be stopped unless and until you remove that page from your website. So it is that kind of thing over here. So over here you are keep on posting it, so website visitors from that website will keep on coming and clicking on your link, and they'll come to your website, so you will get traffic. So like that, there are thousands of websites where you are posting content. So all the 1,000 websites might have, say if I just talk about 1 million visitors, so out of that 1 million visitors, only if 1 lakh people will come to your website, then say it will do wonders for your business. Because 1,000 into 1 million, I mean, that is a very big figure. That much traffic you can get on your website absolutely free of cost. It only requires a lot of time and efforts. That is the only thing that we need to take care of. So that is off page SEO. So now in the next session, what I will be doing is, we will be going to WordPress, and after this we will be learning, say in the next session I will teach you how to create a website. Because to do SEO, I need to know how to create a website and how to add content in my website. So I will teach you how to create a basic website, how to
Sir,
add
voice is
content.
not coming, sir.
uh,
Hello.
are you on a desktop or a laptop or a mobile?
Sir, your voice is your
I
voice is breaking.
I'm say on a 100 Mbps connection, and I'm connected to a wired microphone, so there are no chances that my voice will go. If you are on a say mobile device,
Yeah.
or yeah, if you are on a mobile
So
device,
now it's good.
then there is a
So now
issue
it's
of the
good.
network. Yeah, so then it could be the issue of the network, because from my end there are no chances that my voice can distract, or it can crack, or it can be breaking. So that's not possible, because I am on a wired microphone which is connected to my laptop, and my internet connection is also very fast. So I mean, that also does not have any problem. So anyways, so now in the next session we will learn how to create the content, how to add the content to the website, and once we add the content into the website, we will work on the SEO. So maybe it might take say approximately 2 lectures to work on the website and add content, and after that we will again come back and learn how to do SEO on the content. Because if you want to do SEO, you have to have some place where you can do SEO, that is our website. uh, you can mute your microphone. If you have any questions you can ask, because say it is say quite disturbing over here. Okay, so in the next session I will be giving you your login details wherein you will be able to create the website. So first, in the next session I will help you to create a basic website, and in that you will be creating a website, and that is a license copy, so it is a full version of the website which you can create. So this website is on my training server, so it is for practice purpose, so maybe you can use it for practice purpose for around 3 to 6 months, so that is not a problem over here. And after that it might get deleted if you are not active on the website, so that's up to you. So in the next session everything practical starts, and you also have to work whatever I am teaching in the class from the next session, that you have to work in your free time. So that's all for today in search engine optimization. So in the next session we will learn about how to create a website with the help of WordPress. So that is a content management system that we are going to learn. So now you can unmute your microphones, and you can ask any questions if you have any.
No, sir, not yet. But I
Okay.
want to ask you that can I work on my personal website? It is on
uh,
X.
Yeah, I mean that's absolutely fine. The only problem is that Wix will not have all the plugins, but you can. I will give you the WordPress logins also. You can try that also, and you can side by side. You can work on your website also. So for development purpose, you can use my provided URLs, because you already have a website, so you don't need to create one. But I want you to learn WordPress, so that in future if you plan to have your website in WordPress, then you can create one. And with respect to SEO, when we do SEO, that you can work on your website, so at that time it is not a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so that's it.
Thank you,
So
sir.
see you all tomorrow, see you all in the next session. So next we are meeting on Friday, right? Okay. All right, goodbye.